Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 1, Finite Difference. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about definition and formula of numerical differentiation, problems based on numerical differentiation by using Newton backward difference formula. Differentiation by using Newton backward. Numerical differentiation is the process of computing the value of the derivative of an explicitly unknown function with a given discrete set of points x, y. To differentiate a function numerically, we first determine an interpolating polynomial and then compute the approximate derivative at the given point. So this is the formula for numerical derivatives for dy by dx at x is equal to x naught is a 1 by h del yn plus 1 by 2 del square yn plus 1 by 3 del cube yn plus 1 by 4 del power 5n plus 1 by 5 del power 5 yn plus and so on. And the second derivative d square y by dx square at x is equal to x naught is a 1 by x square into del square yn plus del cube yn plus 11 by 12 del power 4 yn. And the third derivative d cube y by dx cube is equal to 1 by h cube del cube yn plus 3 by 2 del power 4 yn plus 7 by 4 del power 5 yn. Problem 1. Following table gives the census population of a state for the years 1961 to 2001. They have given the year and population in million data. Find the rate of growth of the population in the year 2001. Here they are asking to find the rate of the growth of population. So rate of growth is always known as a derivative or a differentiation. But here they have mentioned the year 2001. So we have to use Newton backward derivative formula. First we will form the Newton difference table. As usual, we will form the x value as a year and y value is a population, and the del value has been calculated from the y value, and the del square, del cube, del power 4 similarly we can calculate to the previous problem. To find rate of growth derivative in the year 2001, taking xn is equal to 2001 and applying the relation dy by dx at x is equal to xn is equal to 1 by h del yn plus del square yn by 2 plus del cube yn by 3 plus del power 4 yn by 4 plus and so on. From the table we know that h is equal to 10, del yn is equal to 17.40, del square yn is equal to -1, del cube yn is a 2.76, del power 4 yn is 11.99. Substituting these values in equation 1, we will get dy by dx at x is equal to 2011 is equal to 1 by 10, and the del yn value, substituting the values in the equation 1, we will get the answer 2.08175. Therefore, the rate of growth in the year 2001 is 2.08175. Problem number 2. Using Newton's backward difference formula to find the solution at x is equal to 2.2. Here the x values are 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2.2, and the y value also they have given. Here they are asking to find the solution at x is equal to 2.2. So we are going to use Newton's backward difference table, Newton's backward difference derivative formula. So first we will form the Newton's backward differentiation table. First we will find the del y. Del y values has been calculated from y1 minus y0. That is a 0.8978 and 1.0966, 1.3395 and 1.6359. And the del square values has been calculated from del y1 minus y0. That is a 0.1988, 0.2429, 0.2964. And the del cube y value has been calculated from del square y0 minus y1. That is a 0.441 and 0.0535. And the del power 4y value has been calculated from del cube y1 minus del cube y0. That is a 0.0094. The value of x at we want to find is equal to 2.22, that is xn is equal to 2.22 and h is equal to 0.2. Therefore, the dy by dx is equal to 1 by h del yn plus 1 by 2 del square yn plus 1 by 3 del cube yn plus 1 by 4 del power 4 yn. Already we find the value and now we are going to substitute that in the given formula, and then I am getting the derivative dy by dx at x is equal to 2.22 is 9.02142, and the second derivative d square y by dx square at x is equal to xn is a 1 by h square del square yn plus del cube yn plus 11 by 12 del power 4 yn. That is, we know the value for del square yn, del cube yn, del power 4 yn. Substituting all this value, I am getting the second derivative 8.96292. Therefore, the first derivative dy by dx is a 9.02142 and the second derivative at 2.22 is a 8.96292. This is a problem to be practiced. Find the solution of an equation 2x cube minus 4x plus 1 at x is equal to 3.5, where x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 4, and the step value is h is equal to 0.5 using Newton's backward derivative formula. Usually they will give a data and then we will proceed the problem, but in this problem they have given polynomial and x1 value, so x value starts from 2 to 4 with h 0.5, that is a 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. We have to substitute the corresponding x value in this polynomial. I will get the value for y. For example, if I substitute x is equal to 2, I will get a 2 into 2 cube, 2 into 8, 16 minus 4 into 8, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, that is a 16 minus 8 plus 1, that is a 9. Similarly, we can find the value of y for x is equal to 3, 3.5, 4. Here we are going to find the derivative at x is equal to 3.5. So that's why we are using Newton's backward derivative formula. Thank you.